Hey everybody, it's Friday. The day has gotten away from me. I have my jacket on because I was getting ready to go to the store. I have to go get a few groceries. And I realized I didn't do my vlog yet today. And it's already, what time is it? 4 o'clock. I have been on the phone half the day with Apple because my laptop quit working. I was getting ready to do my vlog then. And I couldn't get anything to work, and so I had to call them, and it took a while to troubleshoot. But it's up and working. I got up today with a runny nose and sneezing and a little bit of a cough, so I guess I've got a cold. I took something, but it doesn't seem to be helping. Every time I put my head down, my nose drips. It's horrible. So I thought I was going to get away without getting sick. At least I don't have the flu. At least not yet. Just a cold. But anyway, for my vlog today, I was going to answer Melissa's new question, which is, how did you get your name? And, or how did you go about naming your children? I don't know how I got my name. My mom gave it to me. I called her to see where she got my name from. She said, why? I guess she thought I didn't like it, and she got defensive. And so I said, no, I just wondered why you named me Judy. And she said, 'cause I like that name. I said, okay, that's fine. I said, it's not after a movie star or anything. She said, no, I just like the name. I said, okay, thanks, bye. My mom is not in the best of moods these days. You know, she's taking care of my dad, who is driving her crazy. Anyway. But, so that's how I got my name. It's just a name my mom liked. And it's Judy, not Judith. And it's spelled with a Y. I have a sister-in-law whose name is Judith. And she spells her name Judy with an I. And I hate it when my relatives spell my name with an I when they get it confused with hers. And for some reason, I just don't like that. Anyway, as far as naming my boys, Michael, Stephen, and Brian. And they're just names I liked. I liked the Michael. It's a strong name. I liked that. My husband did too. Stephen, again, you know, I was hoping for a girl at that point. And then with Brian, I was hoping for a girl again, and got another boy. And so really, I was out of boys' names, and he came up with Brian. And so, nothing special, you know, there's no mystery to the names, just names we liked, and just something we could think of at the time. And I'm happy with all of them, Stephen and Michael and Brian, you know, I think they're good names. And I don't know what they mean, I never really looked that up. With my name, it's old-fashioned, you don't hear too many Judys anymore, but that's okay. I always wanted to be named Sherry. I don't know why, I just like that name. But I guess it's okay to have a name that, oh, there goes my nose just dripping. I'm sorry. Oh, I hate it. Okay, I guess that's all I can think of for now. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to make a video tomorrow or Sunday because, you know, it's the weekend. My husband's home, and I don't know that he's going to be running at all because, you know, of his kidney stone things and all that going on. So anyway, I'm going to go now so I can blow my nose. I don't want to do it on camera. So hope everybody, the rain finally stopped here. The sun is out. It's a little chilly outside though. That's why I have my jacket on. Well, because I'm getting ready to go out. And but anyway, I hope you all have a good weekend. And I hope to see you tomorrow. And but if not, I'll see you when I see you. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.